What if I told you that this glass right here could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Yes, I'm talking about beetroot juice. Stay tuned as we dive into 20 incredible benefits of this super drink and how you can integrate it into your daily routine. Beetroot juice, a powerhouse of nutrients, offers a myriad of health benefits. Let's explore them one by one. Boosts stamina. Drinking beetroot juice increases your stamina by improving the efficiency of mitochondria. The energy powerhouses of your cells. Lowers blood pressure. The nitrates in beetroot juice convert to nitric oxide, reducing blood pressure. Enhances brain health. Beetroot's ability to improve blood flow also benefits brain function, particularly as we age. Detoxification support. Helps detoxify the liver, promoting better elimination of toxins from the body. Improves athletic performance. Beetroot juice can enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and time to exhaustion. Rich in valuable nutrients, it's packed with vitamins A, C, and B, iron, potassium, and manganese. Supports weight loss. The fiber in beetroot juice helps in promoting weight loss by providing a feeling of fullness. Promotes heart health. Reduces homocysteine levels, protecting against heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Betalains, which give beetroot its color, have potent anti-inflammatory capabilities. Antioxidant powerhouse. Protects cells from damage and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Supports healthy skin. Its nutrients and antioxidants can help clear and brighten your complexion. Boosts digestion. The fiber content aids in regularizing bowel movements and improving digestive health. Improves endurance. By increasing efficiency in oxygen use, it can extend endurance during physical activities. Prevents anemia. The high iron content can help in preventing anemia by aiding in red blood cell production. Supports brain health in elderly. Enhances cognitive function in older adults by improving blood flow and oxygenation to the brain. Regulates blood sugar levels. Its low glycemic index helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Prevents bad breath. The antibacterial properties help in preventing bad breath by controlling harmful bacteria and maintaining pH balance in the mouth. Cancer protection. Contains compounds that may help in lowering the risk of some cancers. Enhances sexual health. The nitric oxide produced helps in dilating blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and sexual health. Supports vision health. Beetroot is rich in vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining good vision. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet is simple. Start with small doses like a quarter cup and see how your body reacts. You can gradually increase the amount or mix it with other juices to enhance the flavor. Whether you drink it solo or blend it with other nutritious fruits and veggies, beetroot juice is a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle. So, ready to give your health a tasty boost? Grab a beet and turn it into juice. For more health tips and recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon.